In this introduction lecture, we're going to have a look at the various ways that you can use the magic multiple moving average technique. Now on your screen you can see one of the ways, and that is comparing a number of currencies to each other to very quickly see the state of the Forex market, which currencies are trending, which ones are consolidating, and so on. There are also specific trading signals that get given by the magic multiple moving average technique, and those are also obvious in this particular overview, but we'll cover those signals in future lectures. So the first use is to get a very quick overview of the market phases and also to spot trading opportunities at a very high level. Now the set of charts that you see on your screen at the moment are 1 hour charts. You can also very quickly convert them to 4 hour charts and see another perspective of the market at a 4 hour time frame level. After you have identified a particular currency that you are interested in trading, you can then drill down to that particular currency's magic multiple moving average charts, and I'll show you an example of that. Here you have the daily view, the 4 hour view, the 1 hour view, and the 15-minute view of the Euro USD, all giving trading signals and trading phase information. But don't worry, we will cover the setup of the indicator as well as the setup of these charts that I'm showing you right now in the course in quite a lot of detail. I'll be setting them up from scratch so that you will be able to do them yourself. The other use that you can put the magic multiple moving average technique to is to use it in conjunction with other techniques. Here is an example of the multiple moving average technique being used in conjunction with the RSI trendline violation technique. And once you know the signals, you'll see that the multiple moving average technique sometimes gives signals that are a lot faster than the other techs. At worst, they confirm the other techniques quite nicely. So there's quite a lot to go through in this course, so let's move to the next lecture.